Welcome to IT Boost YouTube channel. In this video, I am going to show conceptual design environment in Revit. The conceptual design environment is a type of family editor in which you create conceptual designs using in-place and loadable masked family elements. I will go to New and I will select Imperial Architecture Template and press OK. After that, this is our project file, the Revit project file. After that, I'll go to File, New. We have to create a conceptual mask. So I'll go to File, under the File, New Conceptual Mask. Click that one. So if you didn't have a conceptual mask in your file here, it is in my English Imperial conceptual mask. You can select that conceptual mask. If you didn't have this template, in my description you can click that link and you can download the template, and I'll open that one. So this is the conceptual mask family environment. So now I am in the conceptual mask 3D view. I will go to the level 1 of the conceptual mask. Right. And what I do, I will take a line and I will draw a line from the center point to 100 feet. Right. Again, from this center point to this side, another 100 feet. Again, from that 100 feet, another 100 feet. Right, it went wrong. Line. Here, from here, the straight line, 100. Press escape. From this end point to 100. Right. So totally this side 200, this side 200, but don't draw the line in a stretch 200, just two pieces of lines. You have to draw separately, so 4 lines. Again, from here, from the middle, I'll make it 80 feet. Right. So this side 80 feet. That's also separate, not a stretch line. Right. Now from this 100, 40, enter. From this side 40, enter. Oh, something. I'll draw line 40, enter. Press escape. Again, this side 40, enter. Right. Again at this point, again 80, enter. Again from this side 80, enter. Again this side 40, enter. Again this side 40, enter. Again here at the end 80, enter. Here this side 80, enter. Right. So better to we have some reference also, reference planes also. This means the vertical for these lines. So it's not important. Right? Reference planes are not important. We will go to the elevation and we can strengthen this. We will go to 3D view here. We have the 3D view of that one. You can select that one and you can extend that one. This means the level extension. Right. So this is the 3D view. This is the lines we have made it. Right. Now still we are in the modify here. Click this point element. Click this point element. And place a point here. Another point here. Another point here. Another point here. Another point here. And press escape. Now for these points we can set the work plane. Yeah, so I'll click this set work plane, and I'll here, this is the work plane. If this one is not here, you can press the tab key and you can change it. So here set work plane, So in default, initially my reference plane is coming. Right, so I'll click that one. Now take the start end radius arch and click one here and here and the radius 80 and press escape. Again click set work plane, click this work plane. Again start end radius arch. From here to here the radius 40. Press escape. Again set work plane. Select this one. Start end radius arch. Click here and here. 80, the radius 80. Again set work plane. Select this one. Start end radius arch. 40. Again start end radius, set work plane. Click this one. Start end radius. 80, radius. Right. Now we have to set the work plane other side. Watch carefully. Take the set work plane, bring to the center. Press the tab key in your keyboard and change the work plane here like this to this side. And click. And take this start end radius and click here and here. Give a radius around specific length also given 100. I'll give 100. Enter. Right, type. Again here to here this endpoint. Type 100. Pull downwards, right? Again from here to here, arch downwards, type 100. Again here and find endpoint and downwards 100. Right. Check the modify tool, select this middle arch and with the control key select this arch and click create form, solid form. So you'll get a solid form like this. After that select the solid form. Right. Go to your level 1 and from there you can select there. So you have some surfaces. You call that one surface. With the control key select all the surfaces here. Right, all the 4 surfaces. Now here you can divide the surface. Click divide surface. Right. And when you click divide surface, right, select again with the control key all the surfaces. One by one, select one by one. Here you have the divide. I will divide that one into 24. Right, and 24. And enter. Select other one. U grid 24, V grid, right? 24. And select this one. 24 and 24. And select one by one. Right. 24, 24. Okay. Right. Now select here. For this one you can select with the control and in the pattern, in the properties, I have selected all the 4. You can go to 3D view also. In the pattern, it's no pattern, select here. I will select octagon rotated. Octagon rotated. Click that one. So the grid will be changed to octagon rotated like this. Right, now fine. Now we will make another family. So this is a conceptual family, right? So this is our project. In project we didn't do anything. Here this is the conceptual family. Now I will create another family. I will go to file, new family. I'll go to English Imperial and select generic model pattern based. Select generic model pattern based and press open. Right, now you'll get this generic model pattern face, right? That's we call family 2 here. Now select this blue grid here. Select the blue grid and here in the properties, change the pattern octane rotate. Okay, so you'll get octane rotate. Now take a point and draw a point in the middle and set the work plane, right? Take a circle tool and draw a circle. I will give a radius 1 foot. Click that one. Now take the modify tool and select this chain of wall or lines and click create form solid form. So when you click create form solid form, here you will find two options, right? So we need a plane, so click the plane here, this one plane, right? Now we'll assign a material for that plane. Carefully select the orbit and you rotate it underside, so it's press the escape key. You can select the plane. You have to select the plane correctly. You have to select the plane. If difficult, just orbit to the underside. If you want to change this one to wireframe and see, no, wireframe can't, shaded. Right, now I have selected the plane. Go to material. Here there is already a name called glass, but the material is not assigned. Click open close access browser. Go to appearance library. Go to glass. And here I will select a clear glass. Double click that one. And close. Click apply and press OK. Right, the glass applied. Right, now we have again the circle. Select the circle. With the control key, select this chain of wall or lines and create form, solid form. So select one of that one. For that one also we will assign a material. Go to here, we'll create a new material. I will rename that one metal. Open close access browser, appearance library. I will go to metal. I will select aluminium polished. I'll select this aluminium polished. Double click that one. So it's updating, here updated. Close that one, click apply and OK. So now here in the middle it's glass. This one is aluminium polished. Here you can select realistic and see. Right. Now what I'm going to do, you can save this family. Better to save this family. Or you can straight away load into project. So what I do, I'll click load into project. So we have to load this one to the family 1, the conceptual family, not to the project. So I'll click family 1 and press OK. So it will be loaded here to this one. If you want, you can go to the 3D view. Right, select that surface. Right, and here select the under the octagon rod, you can select the family 2. So that will be applied here. right? Select all the thing with the control key here, all the surface. And here in the pattern, under the octane rotate, the family, the loaded family 2 is there, right? So you will get a this thing here, right? Now what we can do, we can save this one, better to save, that is family 1, right? And I will load this one to the main project. I will click load into project. I will select the project, my project 2, okay. So that will be loaded to the my main project. So it's loading here in the level 1, this message will come, no worries about that. Just click here, right, and click, it will be placed. Again you will get a warning, that is the mass viewing options, no worries about that. You can close that one, right? Now if you want, you can make a floor, press escape, go to floor, I'll click pick line because we don't have, I'll give around 30 feet, right? Oh, it's getting stuck, right? Too much, okay, no worries, okay. Right, now we have to extend the line. You can select this one, just lengthen this one up to here, this one also up to here, okay. This floor a little bit in your click here, and okay, now take a line tool, that is the easiest way. From here to here, draw a line, right. From here to here, draw a line. From here to here, draw a line. From here to here, draw a line. These things we can extend, we'll try. Select trim extend. Yeah, it will be extended. This one like this, trim. Extend this one with the same tool. Trim extend. Why this one is not getting extended? Right, so we'll see. Trim extend. Yeah. This one we have to then we'll take a line tool because it's going right, not right. It's not tangenting any point. So take a line tool and draw here because it won't extend. Right now here also trim. Right now if we finish, go to view, project 3D view. Go to your 3D view here. If you want, you can make it realistic. So you will have a nice conceptual design, right? With the glass, you have a glass also there. I think so, yeah. Right. So you can place some components, beach benches, any other components, and you can render it. So try this conceptual design. I hope you enjoyed the video and learned about the conceptual design environment in Revit. If you didn't subscribe our channel, please subscribe our channel. If you have any question, comment in the comment box.